Right now, you might be feeling tired. You might be thinking too much. You might feel your heart is restless and your mind is heavy. You might have been through a lot and life has not given you the peace you deserve. But for this moment, just remember, you are safe. You are here. And in this moment, nothing can hurt you. Just breathe slowly. Take a deep breath in and let it go gently. Our minds often live in the past or the future. We worry about what has already happened or what might happen next. This is how stress builds inside us. Stress is not an enemy. Stress is a signal. It is a reminder that we have gone beyond our limits or that we have forgotten to listen to our soul. When we try to stay strong all the time, when we are always available for everyone else, when we ignore our own tiredness, the mind starts to scream. This time is only yours, not for your phone, not for your responsibilities, not for your pressures, only for you and your breath. Take a slow, deep breath. Feel the air move through your body. Feel your chest rise. And as you exhale, let your tension leave your body. Every person has a place inside themselves where peace exists, but we forget to reach it because we keep running, comparing ourselves, trying to prove ourselves. You do not need to prove anything today. Just being here is enough. If you feel tired, it is not weakness. It is being human. Your body is talking to you. Your mind is asking for help. Stress increases when we suppress our feelings. When we say everything is fine even when it is not. If your heart feels heavy, let it feel heavy. Do not judge it. Just observe it. Thoughts come and go like clouds in the sky. You are not your thoughts. You are the one watching them. Whenever your mind goes to a stressful thought, gently bring your attention back to your breath. This is a practice. Every practice takes time. Do not try to fix anything. Just stay present. Life has taught you a lot. Every pain has made you wiser. But you do not need to identify yourself with every pain. Your past does not define you. Your future does not control you. Only this moment is real. In this moment, you are alive, and that alone is a miracle. When we live in constant stress, the mind goes into fight mode. It thinks there is danger when there is none. That is why controlling your breath is so important. When you slow your breathing, your mind receives a signal that everything is okay. And when the mind calms down, the body follows. This is a chain reaction. Let your shoulders relax. Let your jaw relax. Let the tightness around your eyes and face ease. You do not need to reach anywhere. You do not need to achieve anything right now. Just being is enough. Taking a little time every day for yourself is not selfish. It is necessary. If you are empty, how can you give to anyone else? One of the biggest causes of stress is comparison. When we compare our lives with others, we forget our own story. Everyone's journey is different. Everyone's timing is different. You are not late. You are not behind. You are exactly where you need to be. If you feel broken, remember that things often break to take a new shape. Sometimes it is necessary to fall apart to come back together stronger. Everything you have endured is proof of your strength. But now you need not only endurance, but also peace. Peace does not come from outside. It comes from within. When you stop fighting yourself and accept yourself, stress loses its power. Ask yourself quietly, why am I taking so much pressure? Most often the answer is fear. Fear of what others will think, fear of failure, fear that I am not enough. But the truth is, you are enough. You have always been enough. You just need to remind yourself. The voice you are hearing right now is reminding you that you are not alone. If you want, you can use this moment as the beginning of your healing. Just one breath is enough. Take a deep breath in and let it go slowly. As you sit here breathing, notice the rhythm of your heart. Feel it slowing, calming down. Every beat reminds you that you are alive and that life is flowing through you. You do not need to rush. You do not need to push yourself to do more than what you can handle. Sometimes, the greatest strength comes from pausing and simply being. When your mind wanders to worries or tasks, gently guide it back to this moment. Focus on what you can feel, what you can hear, the rise and fall of your chest. Let each thought pass like a cloud drifting across the sky. You do not have to hold on to it. You do not have to solve it right now. Everything will unfold in its own time. Stress often comes when we resist what is. We fight against circumstances we cannot change, and we struggle to control outcomes that are not ours to control. But peace comes when we release that need for control. Let life flow. Trust that even if things are not perfect, you are moving forward. You are learning, growing, becoming stronger, and more resilient with each passing day. Take a moment to feel gratitude for simply being here, for the air you breathe, for your senses, for the ability to experience life. Gratitude does not have to be for big things. Even the smallest things, a warm light, the comfort of a chair, a gentle sound can anchor your mind and remind you that life is abundant, even in quiet, simple moments. Remember, stress is only temporary. It is like a wave that comes and goes. It may feel intense at times, but like all waves, it will pass. You cannot stop the wave, but you can float with it. You can ride it gently without letting it pull you under. Trust in your ability to stay afloat, to stay grounded, to stay present. Your body is your ally. Listen to it. Notice any tension in your shoulders, your back, your hands, your legs. Breathe into those areas. Let the muscles release their tightness. Let them soften. Your body holds so much wisdom, so much knowledge about what you need. Treat it with respect, with care, with attention. Life is full of challenges, but challenges do not define you. They are opportunities to discover your strength, to reveal your courage, to test your patience. Each challenge you face and overcome adds to your resilience. You are capable of more than you think. You have survived everything life has thrown at you so far, and you will continue to survive, continue to grow, continue to thrive. Do not rush your healing. Do not judge your progress. Healing is a journey, not a race. It comes slowly, in layers, in gentle moments of insight, in quiet understanding of yourself. Trust the process. Trust that every small step you take is building a foundation for a more peaceful, more joyful life. Now, imagine a place where you feel completely safe. It could be real or imagined. See the colors, the light, the space around you. Feel the textures, the temperature, the sounds. Allow yourself to stay there for a moment. Breathe in the safety. Breathe out the tension. This place exists inside you. You can return to it anytime. It is always available. Think about the people in your life who truly care about you. Imagine them surrounding you with warmth, understanding, and love. You are supported, even when you feel alone. Connection is a powerful healer. Even in solitude, remember that you are part of something bigger. You are not separate from the world. You are part of its rhythm, part of its story, part of its beauty. Stress can make us feel small, weak, and isolated, but the truth is, you are never truly alone. You are strong, you are capable, you are resilient. Your experiences have prepared you for this moment. Every time you have faced difficulty, you have learned something about yourself. You have grown, you have adapted, you have survived. Let go of the need to have everything figured out. You do not need to solve all your problems right now. You do not need to have every answer. Sometimes, peace comes from simply letting life unfold, trusting yourself, trusting your intuition, trusting the universe to guide you where you need to go. As you continue to breathe, notice the calm spreading through your body. From the top of your head to the tips of your toes, feel your muscles softening, your mind quieting, your heart slowing. You are not rushing. You are not resisting. You are present. You are here. You are alive, and that is enough. You may notice thoughts returning. That is okay. Do not fight them. Observe them. Let them pass. They are not permanent. They are not your identity. You are more than your thoughts. You are the awareness behind them. You are the calm in the center of the storm. Imagine now a future where stress does not control you. Picture yourself responding calmly to challenges, moving through life with patience and clarity. Feel the sense of freedom that comes from knowing you can handle anything, that nothing can shake your inner peace. This is possible. This is within your reach. Every time you practice being present, every time you focus on your breath, every time you allow yourself to just be, you strengthen your inner calm. You teach your mind and body how to return to this peaceful state. Even when life becomes chaotic, you build resilience quietly, steadily, one moment at a time. Remember that every experience, every emotion, every challenge has value. Even stress teaches you something. Even pain teaches you something. Life is a teacher, and you are a student. Observe, learn, and move forward without judgment. Now, gently bring your awareness back to your body. Feel your feet on the floor, your hands resting comfortably. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Stretch gently if you like. Take a few final deep breaths, appreciating your body, your mind, your presence. You have done something powerful today by simply pausing, by simply being, by simply breathing. Know that you can return to this practice anytime. You can take this calm with you into your day, into your week, into your life. You are in control of your breath, your attention, your focus. And with practice, you are in control of your peace. You have everything you need within you. You are enough. You are safe. You are capable, and this moment is yours. Take it, breathe it, live it.